My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 Vauxhall Mokka. This vehicle has done just under 22,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our heated steering wheel. To the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access audio, navigation, Bluetooth, our flow, statistics and charge, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our driving functions and vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 3 different driving modes: Sport, Normal, and Eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.